Like a pine tree. Since ancient times in Korea, the pine tree has been praised as the best among trees and has appeared in many paintings and literature. This is because the pine tree is not only elegant and beautiful, but also has the vitality and strength to grow well, even in a barren land, and has green leaves throughout the year. God too loves people who have a steady heart, like the green leaves of a pine tree. God commands those who do not compromise with injustice, do not abandon their faith, and keep their integrity to God on the occasion of difficulties, and give them indescribable glory and rewards in heaven. For we have become partakers of Christ if we hold fast the beginning of our assurance firm until the end.